Today we'll review the best ERP software for small businesses. However, I'd highly recommend you download our full top 10 small business ERP report, which you can find in the link in the description. If you're starting your ERP journey, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and then head over to erpresearch.com where you can fill your boots with free ERP analysis, ERP project resources, templates, and so much more. With that, let's get on to the best ERP systems for small businesses. SAP Business by Design. SAP Business by Design is another popular ERP solution for mid-sized companies. Like Netsuite, it's only available in the cloud and has proven popular with growing and small companies. It offers end-to-end capabilities with functionality covering financial management, inventory, stock control, project management, supply chain, procurement, and many more. Like S4HANA, this SAP product has had a serious makeover, making it user-friendly and accessible on any device with inbuilt reporting. Oracle Netsuite. We've seen Oracle Netsuite used by many of the world's smaller companies as their ERP of choice. Netsuite is only available as a cloud ERP solution, allowing you to bundle all of your ERP worries into a yearly subscription cost. Netsuite was built for small businesses, which makes it a great choice for manufacturing companies who want to minimize investment and time in their ERP implementation. With hundreds of implementation partners around the world, Netsuite is widely supported and has a strong ecosystem of consultants giving your small business worldwide coverage. Want to see if Oracle Netsuite has the functionality you need? Check the link down below. Microsoft Dynamics 365. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a modular set of business applications that can cover both front and back office and is used by many small businesses. Dynamics provides a great capabilities for small manufacturing services and wholesale and distribution companies, as well as benefiting from a strong integration with Azure and Office product suites. Microsoft offers two versions of Dynamics, making it suitable for both small and large companies. Check out our full review in the link in the description. Odoo. Odoo has become incredibly well used by startups and small businesses around the world that want to maximize flexibility and low cost from ERP solution. Odoo is an open source ERP which enables your organization to configure and build your own functionality to its own needs. Odoo covers functionality including CRM sales, e-commerce, MRP through to finance, and much more. See our full analysis down below. Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is an incredibly popular cloud ERP and accounting system for small businesses and has been widely adopted, particularly by companies in the professional services and people-based industries. Sage has a clean and user-friendly interface, accessible on mobile, and covers functionality including financial management, project management, and billing plus business intelligence. Make sure you check out our full review below. Infor Cloud Suite Industrial. Infor Cloud Suite Industrial, also known as Sightline, is a popular ERP system for small and mid-sized companies. CSI can be deployed either as an on-premise or cloud manufacturing ERP solution, and has a broad coverage with modules supporting finances and accounting, inventory, quality, production, and many more. If you want to get your hands on Infor CSI, then check out our full review before you buy. Summary. So that's a sneak preview of just some of the best ERP for small businesses, but make sure you check out the full video description for our full depth analysis. Thanks for watching.